The Fasst Lax standard kit contains 3 string sets, stakes, and a step-by-step instruction guide. The crease string is used to lay out and paint the crease. It is also used as a precise spacer for laying out the hash marks. The 12 string is used to lay out and paint the 12 fan, the goal line extended, and also the goal line. The 8 string is used to lay out the 8 arc and sides. It is also used to lay out and paint the center circle. There is 1 pivot stake included in each kit that is used to anchor the strings when painting arcs or circles. And this stake is specially designed to keep the line secure, taut, and slightly elevated off of the grass for ease of painting. The laminated instruction guide provides simple step-by-step instructions with diagrams for laying out and painting these areas in 4 simple parts. There are also 4 other stakes used for marking various points during the process. And all of this is kept organized with unique string spools and a lightweight storage bag. So, whether you have been laying out and painting lacrosse fields for years or are completely new to it, you will find the Fasst Lax kit to be the simplest, quickest way to accurately line the complex parts of the women's lacrosse field.